Hi there everyone, welcome to iPadEssentials. In this video, we will talk about a very weird situation that I am facing in my iPad. Although I would say this is the latest M4 powered iPad Pro, but let me actually show you. So if I unlock it, here you can see my screen is kind of frozen, and no matter what I do to come out of it, even I am pressing this home button, you can see nothing is happening. I am not able to go in any other screen. Even let's say I try to swipe it up, nothing is happening. So you may also face this situation when your iPad is completely frozen. How and what we need to do to come out of this situation? Because even if you press this power button on the top, it will simply turn the screen off and nothing will happen. Or let's say again, let me open it using my Face ID. Again, if I press it for a long time, it will open Siri. Siri works perfectly fine, but the iPad does not get unlocked, or I'm not able to access any other thing. For that, let me actually take you to the computer screen, and here let's open browser. And here we can see there is a guide from Apple for force restart iPad, and here we can also choose the version. For example, if you are using an old iPad, we can see that they have provided guide for latest 3 versions. Now let me click here on iPadOS 17, since I am using iPadOS 17, and now here we need to probably follow the steps. So here we can see it says that if iPad is not responding, we can restart it by turning it off and on. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to press this volume up button, and then I'm going to press volume down button, and then I will keep on holding this power button. We need to keep on holding it for a while. You will see the screen is now closed, and finally you will see this Apple logo. So in this way guys, we will be able to restart our iPad that does not come with any home button, or if you are using the latest version of iPad. And now here we can see that iPad is working as expected. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please do like and subscribe to iPadEssentials, as we keep on bringing these kind of videos in this channel. And I will see you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.